Mercedes-Benz Type 500K, W29, 1934-36. The Mercedes-Benz 500K, W29, is a grand touring car built by Mercedes-Benz between 1934 and 1936. First exhibited at the 1934 Berlin Motor Show, it carried the factory designation W29. Distinguished from the 500 sedan by the K for compressor, German for supercharger, only fitted to these performance cars, it succeeded the Mercedes-Benz 380 introduced just the previous year. It offered both a larger, more powerful engine and more opulent coachwork to meet customers' demands for greater luxury and performance. The 500K used the same independent suspension as had been introduced on the 380, with a double wishbone front axle, double joint swing axle at the rear, and separate wheel location, coil springs and damping, a world first. Consequently, it was a more comfortable and better handling car than Mercedes' previous S/SS/SSK generation of roadsters from the 1920s, and offered greater appeal to buyers, particularly the growing number of well-heeled female drivers of the time. Releasing the throttle pedal fully engaged the Roots supercharger, inducing the 5-liter straight-8 engine to produce up to 160 horsepower, 120 kilowatts, and making the car capable of over 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, while consuming fuel at the rate of up to 30 liters/100 kilometers, 9.4 miles per gallon imp, 7.8 miles per gallon US, as it did so. 3 different chassis and 8 bodies were available for customers. The 2 longer B and C 4-seat cabriolet versions rode on a wheelbase of 3,290 mm, 129.5 in, and would later be used on other sedan and touring car models. The shorter chassis, with a 2,980 mm, 117.3 in, wheelbase, underpinned the 2-seater models, the Motorway Courier, and the 1936 Special Roadster, which offered the highest performance. All models featured such advanced equipment as safety glass, hydraulic brakes, and a 12-volt electrical system sufficient to bear the load of the electric windscreen wipers, door locks, and indicators.